Hey, just want to demonstrate a feature that we have been working on for the 0816 release that will allow you to essentially design your own documents and use data from open boxes to generate your own documents. So we've had a feature like this. It's called document templates, but it's pretty hard coded to some of the use cases, or a lot of the data is just hard coded, as in it's not all that useful. So um, we redesigned it, and now we can essentially take. I just went to a website that has templates. I could take any one of these. I think I'll just take this one here since it's decent looking. Um, for some reason, it downloaded as a zip file, so I'm going to change this to be a docx file, and we'll open that in LibreOffice. All right, let me try to download this. Yeah, there we go. All right. So now the template looks like this, and all we need to do is delete some rows here. Delete these rows. And then we can I'm actually going to save this as an ODT file. But you should be able to use docx. I don't want to mess around with the conversion just in case. Here we're going to put in a template field for, we'll say, insert, and then we'll put in order.buyer.name, and then I am going to put another field here. It's going to be order items.code, like this, and order items.description. Order items.quantity. Call this order items.total price. I think this one is order items.unit price. And if any of these are wrong, it will complain to me. I can fill in the rest of this information as well. Let's just put this in as well. So this is going to be order.order number. And oops. Okay. And I think that should be enough for now. This will at least allow us to demonstrate the feature. So we're going to go back to here, go into document templates, configuration. Oops, documents. And we're just going to create a new document here. I'm going to call this a purchase order template, and we'll pick our. So now what that does, it will, on the purchasing side, for any purchase order, we will be able to generate this document here, and I'm actually going to change the name so that it is more it's easier to read. So I can go back here and just say PO template, I guess. Save this. And so it's down here. So if we download that, it will generate an ODT file with the PO number, the buyer name, and then these the list of items. Total amount for some reason didn't print out, but let's go back to our template again, and we'll look at adding in a value here. More fields. I'm going to say insert. And this one is going to be order.subtotal. Say OK, and then we're going to put in insert order.total. And then we can I'm not worried about this. I think that is oh yeah, it's just 0. So if we actually had a unit price, which we could add, actually let's go back here and look at this one here. Yeah, these have so this one has an amount. Oh, we forgot to upload our document again. So we have to go back to configuration, documents, find the document we uploaded before, and re-upload the changes that we made. Oops. We want to make sure that it's this one here. And because I didn't change the name of the file, it's going to change the name. Oh no, I guess the document is still the same. So that's good. We don't have to worry about the name changing. So now we'll go back here and download this again, and we should see subtotal and total. So the amount is correct, the subtotal is correct, and then the total amount is correct. So yeah, that's basically it. You can fill in all these other fields. You can get rid of fields. You could design your own. It's pretty cool feature. I'm really looking forward to making it available for stock movements and shipments and products and everything else, because I think it's pretty useful for a lot of different use cases. There's one other thing I've been thinking about is reporting. I think we could build something that allows you to define a SQL query and then allows you to then take the data from that SQL query and use it to generate a report here, which would be also pretty awesome. It's essentially a nice custom reporting feature that wouldn't be that hard to get off the ground. That is it. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions and or any comments about how you'd like to see this used. Thank you very much.